90-90 single leg alternating holds. So this could be a lot of hamstrings and a lot of coordination and balance on this one. So heels are going to go up on the bench, or if you don't have a bench, you can use an apparatus that's similar. It's nice and strong, stable, not really going to move if you put your heels and distribute your weight into it. Okay. So low back's going to go down into the ground as I exhale. I'm going to dig my heels down into the bench and back. So I'm thinking about trying to pull my heel towards my butt, but since I'm pushing down into the bench and trying to pull the heel at the same time, what's going to happen is there's going to be no movement, but you're going to feel your hamstrings. When I feel my hamstrings, I'm going to go ahead and shoot my knees up to the ceiling. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to bring leg up, hold, and then bring heel down, alternate. I'm trying to minimize how much my hips rotate as I hold this position, okay? So vision, there's like 2 cups of water on each corner of your hip. You don't want the cups of water to spill. Go ahead, you rotate, you lose your position, they're gonna spill on the floor. Avoid that from happening, okay? Don't actually use a cup of water, it's gonna spill anyway, okay? Again, a lot of hamstrings in this exercise. Focus on the being still with the hips on this one, and make sure that you're pushing and digging with the heel, because that's gonna get the hamstrings going.